every goddamn time. Son of a every time. Has to be a better way. Stay tuned and I'll show you how. So to fix that, I bought this kit off of Amazon. Put a link in the description if you're interested in it. That puts a grease trap into a bucket instead of in that piece that falls off every time, or it fills up with rain. Where this has a lid, you can put it in underneath by the propane tank. So hopefully it works good. Let's get this installed. All right, so real quick, this is what I've been using today, is this little piece that just goes there and blocks food from coming. This will be replaced by what is in this box here. Let's see what's in here. This is the bucket lid. The new piece that will block stuff from going in. This is the back collector. It goes on the back outside. Some disposable grease bucket inserts. This is the tubing they give you to run down. This would be the biggest threat of what I have, or the biggest issue I think, is because like today it's below 30 degrees Fahrenheit and I just think this is going to solidify the grease as it drips down. And last but not least is the actual bucket. And I'm hoping that can just go underneath the griddle here so it'll stay a little bit warm and have a shorter tube than if I set it on the ground. Okay, with everything out, let's go ahead and get everything installed. All right, first thing we need to do is take our back piece here, and stick it up through the back here. All right, and then this just will magnetically snap on. Just get that centered. Snap that on. All right, we are done inside here. So we can get this closed. All right, then from the back side here, this hose just goes up there, and we'll tighten this clamp down. And you can see I don't need all this hose, just to go, move this for you just a bit. So this hose will just go in this hole inside top of the bucket. And I'm just going to put this bucket right there. So I don't need all this length. Probably cut it off about right here. Put our hose in the bucket. Still too long. Quite a bit shorter. Just thought of something. 1 second, be right back. So I have these kind of squared off S-hooks from a knife rack that I ended up not using. Just put that in there. Now the bucket can just hang. I need even less tube. Now this is supposed to just sit on the ground, but I thought this might work out better having less tube to worry about. And that's all there is to it. Play around with positioning so that tube doesn't crimp like that. All right, that's all there is to it. Nice simple installation. Gets rid of this piece of junk that I absolutely hate. But that was a nice easy install, and I no longer have to worry about this bucket filling up with water, falling off or anything. So hope you enjoyed this video. If you want one of these, like I said, I'll put a link in the description. Hope to see you in the next video.
be sure to check out this other amazing video.